Fans of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters are once again buzzing with controversy, this time surrounding Amy Slayton, the younger of the Slayton sisters, who has found herself under heavy fire for what viewers are calling a shocking and disgusting hygiene habit that she allegedly displayed around her two young children. While the show has always thrived on drama, humor, and raw honesty, this particular incident is sparking outrage in online fan communities, raising serious concerns about parenting standards, personal care, and the pressures of reality TV fame. What started as a moment captured in a picture quickly spiraled into a massive debate about how far is too far when it comes to airing the private lives of reality stars and their families. Amy Halterman, née Slayton, has always been a fan favorite for her quirky personality, her sense of humor, and a genuine love for her family. She's the doting mother of two little boys, Gage and Glenn, and has documented her journey of balancing motherhood with her ongoing battle to maintain weight loss and personal health. Yet the latest scandal has left even some of her most loyal fans disappointed. The alleged hygiene issue was first noticed when a still image from a recent episode made its rounds on social media platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Facebook fan groups dedicated to the show. At first glance, it seemed like a harmless behind-the-scenes moment, but on closer inspection, fans claimed they saw something that disturbed them greatly, an unsanitary behavior they felt could put her children at risk. The viral moment ignited heated discussion threads, with one fan writing, "I love Amy, but this is just not okay. When you have little kids around, hygiene is so important, and what she did was flat out disgusting." Another user added, "We've all laughed with her and sympathized with her struggles, but there's no excuse for letting something like this happen, especially when it's caught on camera." These reactions highlight the growing tension between reality TV entertainment and the very real responsibility of raising children in the public eye. For Amy, who has faced years of scrutiny over her weight, health choices, and messy home life, this is hardly the first time fans have voiced concern. Longtime viewer will recall how Amy and her ex-husband Michael were previously criticized for the clutter and the questionable cleanliness of their house when their first son Gage was born. TLC cameras captured messy rooms, unwashed dishes, and chaotic living conditions, which quickly became a talking point among critics. At the time, Amy defended herself by explaining that she was adjusting to motherhood while filming a show, and she didn't have the same resources or help that other moms might. She insisted that despite appearances, her children were safe, loved, and well cared for. This latest uproar, however, appears to have hit harder because fans perceive the alleged hygiene issue as something more direct and potentially harmful than just a messy house. Many are drawing comparisons between Amy and other reality TV parents who have been slammed for questionable decisions, sparking a larger debate about the ethics of filming children in unsanitary or unsafe environments. Some even argue TLC should step in to address the issue, either by issuing a statement or implementing stricter standards for what gets broadcast. Interestingly, the controversy comes at a time when Amy has been attempting to reinvent her public image. After her highly publicized split from Michael Halterman, Amy has been trying to showcase a more independent and responsible side of herself as a single mom. She's often shared sweet videos of her children on TikTok, shown glimpses of healthier eating habits, and talked about making her home environment more stable. To many fans, the hygiene scandal undermines that progress and suggests that old habits may still be lingering. Psychologists and parenting experts who weighed in on the drama online emphasized how critical hygiene is, especially for young children. One expert noted, kids under the age of 5 are particularly vulnerable to illnesses caused by poor hygiene practices. What might seem like a small or funny moment to adults can actually pose a real health risk for children. This perspective has given weight to the outrage, making it more than just another case of fans nitpicking a celebrity's behavior. The viral debate also brings into question the role of TLC in how it frames the Slayton sisters' lives. Critics argue that the network sometimes exploits the sisters' struggles for entertainment value, capturing unflattering or embarrassing moments without considering the long-term impact on their reputations. Amy's hygiene scandal, they argue, could have been avoided if TLC had chosen to edit out the questionable footage rather than leaving it in to provoke a reaction. Yet defenders counter that the raw, unfiltered nature of 1000 LB Sisters is exactly why the show has become so popular. It does not sugarcoat reality. Meanwhile, Amy herself has not directly addressed the controversy, which has only fueled more speculation. On social media, fans have been tagging her in posts, demanding an explanation, but so far she has remained quiet. Some speculate she's ignoring the criticism to avoid giving it more attention, while others believe she might eventually issue a statement once the dust settles. Silence, however, can be risky, as it allows fans to form their own narratives and potentially exaggerate what actually happened. In the larger context of Amy's life, the hygiene scandal might seem like just another bump in the road, but it's becoming clear that fans' patience is wearing thin. Over the years, she has been forgiven for messy rooms, for letting her kids get into sticky situations on camera, and even for some time prioritizing her fun-loving nature over responsibility. But now that her children are growing older and more active, fans are less inclined to excuse behaviors they see as reckless or unhygienic. The stakes feel higher, and so does the scrutiny. What's fascinating is how this incident has also highlighted the double standards in reality TV parenting. Many point out that other TLC stars, like those from Sister Wives or Outdaughtered, have faced parenting criticism but not always at the same level of intensity as the Slaytons. Some believe Amy is held to an even higher standard because of the long-running conversations about her weight and lifestyle, which makes any perceived misstep automatically magnified. This unfair scrutiny, while harsh, is also a reflection of how invested fans have become in her journey. Adding to the drama, several gossip outlets have picked up the story, running headlines with phrases like, "Amy Slayton's gross habit stuns fans," and "Viewer question kids' safety after shocking hygiene scene." Such sensational coverage ensures the controversy isn't going away anytime soon. The more traction it gets, the more Amy's public image risks being defined by this incident rather than her progress as a mom and an individual. In private fan groups, discussions have taken an even darker turn, with some people questioning whether authorities should be alerted. While these calls are extreme and likely unfounded, they underscore the level of concern the incident has triggered. Others, however, defend Amy, insisting that fans are blowing things out of proportion and that one questionable moment doesn't define her parenting abilities. This divide in opinion is typical of the 1000 LB Sisters fandom, which has always been split between harsh critics and loyal supporters. As the outrage continues, what remains clear is that Amy is under the microscope more than ever before. With new episodes of 1000 LB Sisters still rolling out, fans are likely to watch her every move even more closely, waiting for signs of improvement or further missteps. Whether or not Amy chooses to address the scandal head-on, this moment will likely linger in the fan consciousness for months to come, shaping the way audiences perceive her and influencing how TLC portrays her story going forward. For now, the disgusting hygiene habit controversy is a sobering reminder of the fragile balance reality stars like Amy must maintain. On one hand, she wants to be authentic, showing her real life as it is, without pretending to be perfect. On the other, she faces immense pressure to meet the expectations of fans who are quick to judge, especially when children's well-being is involved. How she handles this situation, whether by owning up to mistakes, changing habits, or doubling down against criticism, will likely determine how her reputation evolves in the next chapter of her reality TV journey. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.